guys, welcome back to FAYSEN. Today I will show you the transparent case for the iPhone XS Max and iPhone 10 or iPhone XS. So this is the package, the retail package, and actually this have the iPhone XS Max, and this is iPhone 10 and iPhone XS. So let's try it out. So first let's try the iPhone XS Max. Let's open the package first. Okay. Okay, this is a Silicone case for iPhone XS Max, and also the iPhone XS. Okay, wow. So this is iPhone XS Max, the Silicone case, and this is for iPhone XS. So the size is different. This is 5.8 inch, and this is 6.3 inch. Sorry. Okay, let's try them out. So this is iPhone XS Max, the gold color. Let's try it. I'm so excited. Wow, it's still perfect. Wow, the feeling is so good with this Silicone case. So this is the bottom. The slot is still perfect. The slot and the type and the charging port. And this side, the volume plus and volume minus. And this is the sound key, and here this power key. Wow. Okay, this is iPhone XS Max, and let's try the iPhone XS. This is the space gray iPhone XS. Let's try it out. Wow, it still fits perfect. So iPhone XS Max and iPhone XS with the transparent Silicone case. So guys, this is iPhone XS and this iPhone XS Max with the transparent phone case, which fits perfect. So if you guys like this case, you can just buy from our store in Amazon. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you next time. Bye.